Yes! That's awesome! What?
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use advanced content-aware fill techniques. We're going to take this image and crop out the distracting elements on the left and actually convert it to a square format. The way you do that is hit the C key or come over and click on the crop tool. Go up to your ratio and choose 1:1. That way it automatically gives you a constrained square that you can figure out your composition. Now for me aesthetically, I love the leading diagonal lines, the rule of third position of the face, but this part of the instrument is too close to the border for me. I believe it needs more negative space to feel like it has room to breathe. So I'm just going to drag that up. And I'm probably going to go over a little bit more to give his elbow. And yeah, I think somewhere in here is really nice. I'll hit enter. So that cropped everything out. I'll hit Command or Control J just to duplicate the layer so I'm not working on the original. Most of you probably know if you select the marquee tool or hit the letter M and draw a rectangular marquee selection just around the white space and biting into the image just a little bit. See how I'm inside the image just a little? Command 0 to fit back to screen. And if you hit the Shift Delete key to pull up the fill dialog box, make sure the contents are selected to content aware, check color adaptation because that always makes it better, and click OK. And it's going to do a pretty good job. I mean, it's sophisticated enough, it's probably not going to get the guy or the instrument into the blank space. But see what it did? It kind of filled it with like just a muddled pattern there, which isn't that great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Command or Control D to deselect that. I'm going to turn that off, go back to my original, hit Command or Control J again. And this time, let's try it this way. I'm still using the marquee tool, the selection tool, biting into the actual color image a little bit, as well as including that white area. And this time I'm going to go to Edit, down to Content Aware Fill, and it's going to open up a whole dialog box where it does it on the fly as I make changes. See, with me making no changes at all, it basically did the same thing the Shift Delete did. But I'm going to make sure I just don't have any instrument showing up there. And actually, rotation adaptation is still none. So let's take that to medium and watch this area right here. Actually, I can zoom up so we can see that a bit better. So yeah, this muddled area right here. Watch what happens when we go to a medium rotation adaptation. Using scale mirror rotation adaptation with auto sampling may cause unexpected results. Do you want to proceed? Why, yes, I love unexpected results. What we're hoping is to get more of a variety of that bokeh up in here. See now how we have all of this in here? Let me just click OK or click Apply. Yeah, that does look better. Click OK. Command or Control D to deselect. So what I'm going to do, two things. Notice it created that fill on just the selected layer. It jumped it to its new layer. So what I'm going to do is turn that on and off. Okay, I'm going to compress these two together by hitting Command E. And obviously there's a little line right here that I see, but I don't see anything else. So I can probably fix that quickly with the spot healing brush over here. Right bracket key to make my brush a little bigger and just kind of make a few passes to break up some of that straight line that my eye is detecting. But what I want to show you is, remember, here's the straight content aware fill. See how it's muddled? So let me show you where that is again. If you come up to edit and you come down, you're like, well, it wasn't content aware scale. No, it was content aware fill, but that's grayed out. Why is that? It's grayed out because you haven't made a selection. You have to have a selection active before that will appear. Then you can choose the content aware fill, open up this dialog box, and you get to paint whatever you want to take out. It auto fixes it on the fly, and then you have these settings over here that you can use to further fine tune it. It's a really powerful feature.
Yes!
Hey, what are you still doing here? It's over.
Yes!
Go watch another video of mine. Actually, all kidding aside, I hope this video helped, and if it did, consider subscribing. I like subscribers.
That's awesome! What? You just took one in the jugular, man! Whoa! Yes! Oh my god, I did! Is this bad? Is this bad? You should pull that out.
Hey, you stayed to the end. You know what that means? You're awesome. I'm talking about you. Now get out of here.